guys, check this out. Got this little dump cart from a farm auction a couple years ago for 50 bucks. I thought it was kind of unique when I saw it. What makes it unique is it has this dumping feature where it not only goes like this, but you can actually tilt it all the way up, and actually it goes completely around. It makes it really handy if you're dumping dirt or rocks. You can get the whole load out and keep the tires on the ground. I'm not sure who made these. I actually got another one too. I picked this one up a few weeks ago. So this one is a Cub Cadet. I think this one's probably a Simplicity. Like I said, I'm not sure who made these, but quite a few different manufacturers sold these. And I believe in the 60s or 70s, I could be wrong, but somewhere in that time frame. What's also cool is you can see these axles have a bend to them. Let's see it on this one too. So the tires kind of, you know, they got some lean to them. And these are actually rated for a 1/2 ton, which I thought was pretty cool. They're both missing the tailgates. I don't know, I might make one for this. So my intentions for this one, I want to kind of make it into a Yamahauler. So I already wire wheeled the inside. My plan is to take some Por 15 and coat the inside. So that's paint over rust. This stuff is it's pretty impressive. Make sure you wear gloves if you use this, because if you get on your hands, you'll be wearing it for the next week. It's not coming off. I got the original tongue for this one. I made this tongue because, as you can see, like a lawn tractor hitch is pretty low, so I'm sure you can flip this around too. So, and my plans are to put these wheels, I found these wheels on Marketplace for 80 bucks. I thought they looked pretty cool, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna go about putting these on here. I think it'll look a lot better than what's on there now. And this is what the inside looks like. I don't know if these are from some like Chinese ATV or what, but you know, it's already got bearings in here. So yeah, I gotta figure something out for getting these wheels and tires on there. And then sticking with the Yamahauler theme, I think I'll end up getting some decals for right here. Maybe like a black painted on hockey stick type thing that goes, you know, like this. That'd look pretty cool. Then I'll repaint this outside yellow. So yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of a sucker for cool stuff like this. You know, they don't really make stuff like this anymore. What I like about this too is the wheels aren't underneath, so they're, you know, they're on the side, so this sits lower. So what I plan to do today, I've already wire wheeled this. I'm gonna put that Por 15 probably on the whole inside and along the top. At least get that far today. I'm not sure if I'll end up painting this frame black or keep it yellow. Right now I'm kind of leaning towards black. And then still got more work to do on this yet. I'm gonna recondition this fender here. I got some a rubber sheet to replicate these mud flaps, because I've had a heck of a time trying to find used mud flaps. So this one's gone. But yeah, let's get this Por 15 on there. Alright, got the Por 15 on, and we'll let this dry for a bit, and we'll put some gloss black Rust-Oleum on there. Alright, got the black paint on, turned out pretty nice. And one thing I want to mention is these are meant to store within themselves. You can see there's a clip right there and another one for the axle. So these, the axle will come off and this front part of the frame comes off, and you can store in the box. Alright, that'll do it for this one. Follow along on this project. Should turn out pretty interesting. Thanks for watching.